Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. Now you're gonna hold it till you see boot mode on the screen. If you don't see it in like 10 seconds, if you don't see anything on the screen in 10 seconds, I can let go of those keys and then start holding them again. And there we go, as you can see, there it is. So now from here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. Not gonna zoom in because you can probably see this arrow. You can see it jumps. When you press volume up, it goes down. And when you press it once more, it goes straight back up to the first option. So you want to make sure that it's just selecting the first option and then press volume down to confirm it. And this will then take us to recovery mode. And there we go. So from here, using both volume keys to navigate, as you can see, volume up goes up and down goes down. You want to select wipe cache partition using those keys. And then once it's selected like it is right now, press power key. And confirm that by selecting yes. And there we go. As you can see, right here at the bottom, you can see cache wipe complete. Also, reboot system now is selected by default after this process. So all you need to do is press power key once again to initiate a reboot and go back to your Android. And we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.